This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the heated seats and steering wheel on your Tesla vehicle. So you can do this a couple of different ways. If you go to this option right here with three dots, tap this, you can see your defrosters. You got your left seat, you can warm right here. Your right seat, you can just tap it when it's red, that means it's heated. If it's just grayed out, you have a fan on. So maybe I'll put this to auto. And then we got heated steering wheel. We can tap this, it's heated now, and then you can turn it off. So a lot of times I just go here, it's a little bit easier. Then we can also tap on the temperature down here, and we have the option for left and right, and then we got the steering wheel right in the center. So you can just come here and look at this as a different option as well, and you should be good to go. And you can hold this and put it down under my apps too if you want it down here as well, but there's limited space, so you can decide if you want to do that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.